Ever feel like your car is sipping on fuel like it's a fancy latte? It's not just bad luck, it's a clue something's off. But don't worry. We're here to spill the tea on what's making your tank empty faster than you'd like. Let's dive into the top causes of high fuel consumption. Number 1. Incorrect tire pressure. When your tires are underinflated, your engine has to work harder to keep the car moving. It's like walking with tiny steps. You use more energy and tire out faster. The same goes for your car. Those extra engine efforts mean more fuel wasted. But properly inflated tires? They reduce rolling resistance, letting your car move more smoothly and efficiently. That saves you money at the pump and makes your ride feel better too. Check your PSI regularly and keep it at the highest level recommended in your manual. It's a simple fix for better fuel economy, improved handling, and a smoother drive. Number 2. Misaligned wheels. Incorrect toe setting makes your wheels point in different directions. This creates extra rolling resistance and uneven tire wear, so your car engine works harder and burns more fuel. Even a small misalignment adds up over time. You might not notice it right away, but the signs are there. If your car drifts to one side or you feel a vibration in the steering wheel, it's a clear signal to get your wheels aligned. Number 3. Binding brakes. When your brakes bind, the pads stay stuck against the discs. For drum brakes, the shoes don't fully let go either, even when you're not braking. This creates extra rolling resistance, making your engine work harder and burn more fuel. Even slight binding can cause your brake discs to heat up and your fuel consumption to rise. In more severe cases, the brakes can overheat or even lock up. The solution is simple. Have your brakes inspected and ensure the pads release properly after braking. Number 4. Clogged PCV valve. The positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) system helps your engine run smoothly by recirculating gases from the crankcase back into the intake manifold. But if the valve gets stuck, whether it's open or closed, it messes up the air-fuel mixture. This makes the engine burn more fuel than it should. And that's not the only problem. A bad PCV valve can let the oil get into the combustion chamber. This leads to oil burning, poor efficiency, and higher fuel consumption. It also causes incomplete combustion, which increases emissions and makes your engine work harder. The good news? You can avoid these issues by getting your PCV valve cleaned or replaced. Tap here for a step-by-step guide on cleaning or replacing your PCV valve. Number 5. Worn-out transmission. When your transmission isn't working right, power doesn't flow smoothly from the engine to the wheels. This forces your car to burn more fuel than it should. If the transmission slips, the engine revs higher, but the wheels don't get the needed power. That's wasted fuel, wasted energy, and wasted money. If gears don't shift at the right time, the engine runs inefficiently, guzzling even more fuel. Torquey converter issues? They're just as bad, robbing power and making your engine work harder. Regular checks and servicing can turn things around. A well-maintained transmission saves fuel, keeps your car running like a dream, and spares you from costly repairs later. Number 6. Driving on low gear. In lower gears, the engine revs at higher RPMs to maintain speed. This means the engine works harder and consumes more fuel to deliver the same power. Higher gears are the sweet spot. They let your engine run at lower RPMs, saving fuel while maintaining the same speed. Plus, with higher gears, you can ease off the throttle, keeping fuel flow in check and your engine relaxed. The fix is obvious. Shift to higher gears as soon as it's safe and practical. You'll save fuel, reduce engine strain, and make your drive smoother. Number 7. Bad terrain. Smooth highways let your tires glide with ease, cutting down resistance and saving you fuel. But when you hit rough, coarse, or uneven surfaces, your engine works overtime, and your fuel consumption shoots up. Rough surfaces can increase rolling resistance by up to 20%. That's more fuel burned for every mile. Add hilly terrain, and it gets even worse. Climbing uphill makes your engine work harder, while braking downhill wastes energy. You can't always control the roads you drive, but you can control how you prepare. Plan your trips to stick to smoother routes when possible. Number 8, damaged fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are like the heart of your car's fuel system. They spray a fine mist of fuel into the engine to keep everything running smoothly. But when they get clogged or dirty, problems start. Cheap fuel can carry tiny particles that block the screens inside the injectors, slowing or even stopping fuel flow. On the other side, heat can bake leftover fuel into a sticky varnish, messing up the spray pattern. When the fuel doesn't spray evenly, your engine burns more fuel for less power. In extreme cases, a damaged injector can stop things completely. What's the solution? Use high-quality fuel to avoid buildup and clean your injectors regularly. Number 9, old engine air filter. Up to 10% of your car's horsepower can be lost due to an old, dirty air filter. The air filter's primary function is to prevent dirt and debris from entering the engine. When it becomes clogged, airflow is restricted. This means the engine works harder to draw in air for combustion. The imbalance leads to a richer fuel mixture, reduced efficiency, and higher fuel consumption. First, identify how dirty is dirty. If you think about it, the filter is there to trap dirt. Being dirty would be a sign of a good filter. Too dirty, and it needs to be replaced. Don't let a dirty filter hold your car back. A quick replacement can make all the difference, keeping your engine efficient and fuel costs lower. Number 10, dirty oxygen sensor. A motor vehicle running with a clogged air filter is like trying to breathe through a clogged nose. You'll struggle to take in air efficiently, and that effort will waste a lot of your energy. The oxygen sensor works the same way. They provide the engine with crucial information to adjust the air-fuel mixture. When the sensor gets dirty or starts failing, it misreads the balance and reports a lean mixture. This causes the engine to run rich, burning more fuel and increasing emissions. Replace oxygen sensors as recommended. Unheated sensors last about 30,000 to 50,000 miles, while heated ones can go up to 100,000 miles. Number 11, clogged fuel filter. First of all, the sole purpose of a fuel filter is to ensure dirt and debris are kept at bay from the reach of gas in a car. Over time, a clogged or dirty filter restricts fuel flow. Now, the car engine must work harder to get the fuel it needs. This disrupts the air-to-fuel ratio, leading to inefficiency and higher fuel consumption. Your car ends up burning more gas to maintain performance. You wouldn't let it slide replace or clean the fuel filter. This ensures your engine gets the fuel it needs to run smoothly and efficiently. Number 12, worn-out plugs. Imagine trying to light a fire with a worn-out match. It's frustrating and inefficient. That's exactly what happens in your engine when spark plugs are past their prime. These tiny components, but important, ignite the air-fuel mixture to create power. When the plugs wear, the gap gets too wide, making the spark weaker. This leads to slower acceleration, poor fuel efficiency, and even misfires. Worn plugs don't just waste fuel, they strain other parts like the coil pack and alternator, forcing them to work harder to create a spark. Plus, incomplete combustion caused by bad plugs increases emissions and can clog your catalytic converter. The solution? Replace spark plugs before they are gone too far. Number 13, bad engine oil. By bad, we mean dirty or incorrect oil. Dirty oil gets contaminated from wear and tear, and its additives wear out. This means engine parts like piston rings don't seal as well, leading to more friction and possible leaks. The oil becomes thicker than it should be, so the engine has to work harder against this extra drag. Using the wrong type of oil adds to the problem. It can cause more resistance and premature wear, which lowers your gas mileage. Modern engines have much tighter tolerances than older ones, so using the oil your manufacturer recommends is crucial. The fix requires your discipline. Stick to the manufacturer recommended oil and change it regularly. After 5,000 miles, or as specified in your car's manual, make it a habit to check and replace the oil. But did you know simple oil change mistakes could still damage your engine? Check out this video to learn about 17 costly errors and how to avoid them. Number 14, constant braking. Every time you hit the brakes, you destroy momentum, and getting that momentum back takes energy and burns extra fuel. Accelerating from a complete stop, like going from 0 to 55 miles per hour, uses far more gas than maintaining a steady speed. The more often you brake and accelerate, the more fuel your car guzzles. Here's the trick. Anticipate stops and slowdowns. If you see a red light or traffic ahead, ease off the accelerator early and let your speed drop gradually. This saves wear on your brakes and also reduces fuel consumption. When the light turns green, having some leftover momentum means you'll need less acceleration to get moving again. Smart driving is smooth driving. Look ahead, avoid unnecessary braking, and let your car glide when possible. Number 15, cold mornings. When it's cold outside, the air gets denser, packing more oxygen into your engine with every breath. To keep the air-fuel balance right, your car has to inject more fuel. That extra fuel burns faster, draining your tank quicker. But that's not all. Cold temperatures cause tiny fuel droplets to condense on metal parts inside the engine instead of burning as vapor. This means even more fuel is needed to make up for the loss. Add to this thicker engine oils, which create extra resistance and sap more power from your engine. Warm your car for a short time before driving, and ensure you're using the right oil for colder conditions. High fuel consumption doesn't have to drain your wallet or your patience. Tackle these 15 culprits and you'll drive smarter, save more, and enjoy the ride. Want to protect your engine and your budget even further? Check out our video on horrible driving habits that ruin your engine to learn what to avoid.